Hey guys, this is Prashant and welcome back to another exciting video of Automation A360 tutorial. So guys, if you are watching my video first time, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get the latest video notifications. In this video, I am going to share the knowledge on how to call VBA macro in Automation A360. So we will see with the practical. So let's get started here. Okay, so I have created one macro here. Okay, so that I'll just open it. Okay, so through this macro I want to call through the automation anywhere. So I'll just show you the functionality of this macro here. Okay, so I have created two buttons like run macro and the clear text. Okay, so once I clicked on the run macro, then argument not optional. Okay, why this is coming, I'll show you. I'll just go to the macro. Okay, so here I'm just going to show the welcome to the whatever the text which is coming from the macro. So this is the parameter, name is the parameter which is coming from the a macro, so that is why it is not showing there. But what I'm going to show it here, welcome to Agitech AI, so that I'll show you in the practical right now. Okay, so basically this is the background about this macro. Okay, so once I clicked on here, like in A1, that message needs to become. Okay, so that I'll show you how it will be print to the A. I'll just close this. Okay, so this is the location of the file. Just I'll call this there. So before that, I'll just create one variable to show the name of the tutorial, like just show the name. Okay, so here str training blog name. Okay, so this is the variable I'm creating here. Okay, so I'll assign the name of that to that variable. This is from action assign. Okay, from the string I'll just use this assign, and here I'll select this str training blog name. This is Agitech AI. Agitech AI. All right, this is done. Okay, so this is done. Now I need to open that particular Excel and then I need to call the macro. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I'll use the advanced Excel Excel advanced package, and inside that we have open workbook is there. Okay, so open, I'll just check it here. Here it is. Okay, so the open action is there. Through that we can just open this. So I'll quickly copy the entire path of this file. Copy as a path. Okay, so I'm just selecting this. Okay, I'll remove the double quotes. Okay, all right, so just I'm reading this and then I need to mention the session name, so I'll mention macro file name. Okay, all right, I'll save this. Okay, so for calling the macro, first we need to open that particular workbook. Okay, and then we need to go here in the Excel advanced package, and there is a run macro action is there. Okay, so I'll go to the Excel advanced and run macro. All right. Okay, so here we need to mention the same session name. Okay, since we are working with this workbook which is available, in which the macro is available. So I'll quickly mention the session name here and then macro name. Okay, so first of all we need to check what macro name is there. Okay, so I'll quickly open this particular Excel. Okay, and then I'll go to the Alt F11. Quickly close this. Alt F11 to identify the macro name. So this is the test. Okay, so I'll copy this and I'll go to the AA code and I'll keep the macro name as a test. Okay, So macro arguments. Okay, so what parameter we have assigned to the macro? So this is the name. Okay, so we are getting this name and just we are printing in range a1. Okay, so this name we are using. Okay, so that name we are passing from the a, so that we need to mention it here. Okay, so what we are passing right now, the training blog name. Okay, so that I'll just use this. Okay, so this is the str blog name, str training blog name. Select this, save this. All right, and then we will read the value of the a1. Okay, so once we run this macro, then whatever the value will be available in a1, we need to print it in the a. Okay, so that I'll show you here. So for that, again we need to go to the Excel advanced package. Okay, and from here we need to read the cell. Okay, so for that, get a single cell action is there. Okay, so I'm just using this. Okay, so I'll provide the same session name from here. What session name is there? Macro file name. Okay, I'll go here. Okay, and here I'll mention the session name, macro file name. Okay, and here I need to select the specific cell, that is a1. Okay, and I need to store it in one of the variable. Whatever the value is coming in a1, that I need to store it in one of the variable. Str welcome note. Okay, create and select. All right, and then I'll close this macro file. So this close action I'm selecting from the Excel advanced package. Okay, so I'll keep the same name of the session. Okay, macro file name. Okay, save this. Okay, and whatever value we are reading from the a1, that we will just show it here using the message box. Okay, so I'll use the message box section. Okay, and here we will select this variable str welcome note, which is coming from the macro. All right, save this. Okay, so first of all, I have created one variable with the str training blog name and assigned value to the Agitech AI. Then I'm just opening the file, whichever having the macro, and then just running the macro, just calling this macro here. The test macro name is there, and that parameter, that argument we are passing as a Agitech AI. So that like it will go inside the macro, and whatever the functionality it will be performed through the macro, that will perform. So that we are using this, and then we are finally reading the value from the a1, because in our macro we are just showing the value in the a1 in this particular cell. Okay, so and once it is done, then we are closing the macro, and then we are just showing this message box in the Excel. Okay, so I'll quickly close this macro file. Okay, all right, and then I'll quickly run the bot now. Okay, so it is opening the spreadsheet right now. Okay, so here you can see in a1 it is printed that message and it's closed. Yeah, here you can see the welcome to EasyTech AI. So that is how the macro we can call it. Okay, so guys, if you really feel this video is helping to you, then please subscribe to the channel and press the like button so that this will be really motivated to me. Thank you.